Hi students, in this video I am going to explain you about the nature of management. Okay, so some authors regard management as science because there are well tested and experimented principles in management. Okay, some authors consider management as an art because more practice is required in management. Okay, some authors consider management is going towards the path of profession. Okay, so to conclude whether management is science, art or profession, we must understand the meaning of science, art, profession and compare with the meaning and features of management. Okay, let's check whether management is science, art or profession. Okay, so one by one we will discuss. The first one, management as a science. Okay, so science can be defined as a systematic and organized body of knowledge based on logically observed findings, facts and events. Okay, science principles can be verified and checked anywhere or anytime. Okay, so let's see the features of science. Okay, the first one, systematic body of knowledge. Okay, that means science knowledge can be acquired through systematic and organized study materials which is available in the market. Okay, even in case of management knowledge also can be acquired through systematic and organized study materials. So the first feature of science is satisfied by the management. Okay, second one, principles are based on experimentation. Science principles are developed through experimentations and observations only. Even in case of management, principles also developed through experimentation and observation only, but management principles are not exact as a science principle because management principles are dealing with human behavior and human being. Okay, so we cannot say management principles are exact as a science principle. Okay, so the second feature of science is partially fulfilled by the management. Okay, let's go to the third feature of science, that is universal validity. Okay, the principles of science are universally valid. That means which we can test, then we will get the same result only. But in case of management principles, if we test, then we may get a different result. It is completely depends upon the situations or the environment only. Okay, so the third feature of science is not satisfied by the management. Okay, so from the three feature of science, management satisfies only the first feature. Okay, so what we can conclude, management is not a pure science or exact science. We can call as a inexact or social science. Okay, as why it can call as social science? Because human behavior or human being is involved in management, so we can call as a social science or inexact science. So management as an art. Okay, so art can be defined as a systematic body of knowledge which require skill, creativity and practice to get perfection. Okay, so let's see the features of arts. The first one, systematic body of knowledge. Okay, for acquiring the basic arts knowledge, there are systematic and organized study materials. Okay, so the same way in management also, if we want to acquire the basic management knowledge, the systematic and organized study materials are available. Okay, so the first feature of art is satisfied by the management. Okay, and the second one, personalized application. Okay, so the application of art or otherwise the knowledge of an artist may differ from another artist. Okay, for example, take a musician. Okay, so all musicians they study ragas. Okay, so the way of application of ragas may differ from one musician to another musician. Okay, so the same way in management also, the manager handling a particular situation by a manager may differ from another manager. Okay, it is fully based on their experience, their qualification, their creative ideas and all. Okay, so the second feature of art is also satisfied by the management. Okay, and the third one based on practice and creativity. Okay, for doing the works of an artist, he requires a regular practice. So, yes or no? So the same way for a manager also, he requires a regular practice to improve his managerial skill and efficiency. Okay, so on comparing the features of art with the management meaning and feature, it fulfills all features of arts. Okay, so what we can say, management is an art of getting things done through others. So next one, management as a profession. Okay, so profession can be defined as an occupation backed by specialized knowledge and training in which entry is restricted. Okay, so let us see the features of a profession. The first one, systematic body of knowledge. Okay, that means professional knowledge can be acquired through systematic and organized study materials. Okay, the same way management knowledge can be acquired through systematic and organized study materials. So the first feature of profession is satisfied by management. Okay, and let's go to the second feature, that is restricted entry. Okay, the entry to a particular profession is restricted by entrance or degree examinations. Okay, so for example, one person can practice as a lawyer only after completing LLB. Management, legally it is not restricted, so anyone can enter into management or anyone can work as a manager. Okay, and so the second feature of profession is not satisfied. Okay, and the third one is the presence of a professional association. That means after each and every professional, okay, professional have their own associations, so each professional should get registered their name in respective association. Okay, for example, for medical doctors, they should get registered their name in a Medical Council of India, or otherwise in case of lawyers, they should get registered their name in a Bar Council of India. Such a professional associations are there. Okay, but in case of management, there is no particular professional association. So presently this third feature of profession is not satisfied by the management. Fourth one is that service motive. Okay, what is the meaning of service? The prime aim of a profession is to give services, but in case of management, the prime aim is to achieve organizational goal, or otherwise what we can say, maximization of profit. Okay, but nowadays most organization, they give more priority to economic or organizational objective as well as social objectives, because the prime aim of every organization is to survive in the competitive market. So society or social support is very important for every organization. Okay, so the fourth feature of profession is also not satisfied by the management. So what we can say, only the first feature of profession is satisfied by the management. So management is on the way to profession. Okay, management is on the way to profession. Very soon it will be considered as a profession. Okay, and we can say it is not a full-fledged profession. Okay.